So we're doing more fireworks. We got these. They're called Magic Wand. I don't know what they do. They're kind of like sparklers, I think. I've never used them. And then we have the ones we did yesterday. These.
You're doing fireworks now?
Yeah.
Whenever you go, Angela.
And then we couldn't find the sharks. They were all sold out. But that was the coolest one. So, oh, I need my shoes. Where'd they go?
I have to grab them.
Oh, recycle is here, I think.
We need to put
Oh, yeah, so I have to do my things tomorrow.
the sandals on.
Angelo. Here. Here, just, Angelo, just take what I give you. Right?
Don't you want to put on your regular clothes?
Nah. These are fine. They're not wet.
Yeah, he looks good. Right?
Yeah. Let's do one of these and one of that.
All right, the only thing is, yeah, we'll have to do them not on the deck because I don't want to.
Yeah, like where we did them yesterday. With It's nice and sunny out. A perfect time to do fireworks. That was my decision, so my bad. But we are doing a lot more at nighttime. We're gonna do the other 3 magic rounds, then 3. So we'll do 6 at nighttime and 2 right now. So that's a good idea, right? Because fireworks are good at nighttime, especially. So are those like sparklers? Can you hold them? You're supposed to light it
Yeah,
over.
I think so. Wait, oh, you're supposed to light this one.
Yeah. You hold it. I just want to make sure they're safe. I don't really know. That's the bad thing. It doesn't say if you could like hold them or not. So, those like sparklers or
Yeah, well, you're supposed to be able to hold it. That's why they call it a wand. So I'll try it first and make sure it's safe.
and then
It says just a light there. We need a different one.
yeah. Oh. Yeah. Don't spark it towards me. Yeah, those are like.
These if you want.
Yeah, those are.
Hold it.
Yeah. Let me hold.
Just hold it over here so it doesn't go on the deck. Oh, you getting that on video?
Yeah, we.
Oh yeah. You got the wand.
Yeah, guys.
That's like the ultimate sparkler.
Yeah. Ah.
For only $2. I should have got more.
What if they start popping in my hand? Will they do that?
Once it gets a little shorter, then I'll hold it. Just to make sure you don't burn yourself.
I burned myself with this many times. It doesn't hurt that much. And then
You're not burning yourself.
I haven't been recording it. This is kind.
Yeah, that was cool. You could do another one.
Now let's just use this. Was that it?
Oh, another one?
No, not another. Oh.
No, not on the table.
Alright, let's do one of those sparkle things, like a normal firework.
Okay, so gassy for me.
Let's do one of these. Monkey. Yeah. Do the. Oops. What if it just explodes? We're doing a fireworks now.
It's not coming out.
Well, we're just gonna do.
Yeah.
Is she coming out?
Yeah. Signer.
We'll save the rest for after.
Okay.
After we eat.
Yeah.
So.
Should we do that downstairs?
Yeah. Otherwise, I don't want to ruin the deck.
Oh, it's really sunny. Last time it was crazy. No, like
We gotta
over
put
there.
it- yeah, well, we could put it right here and it shouldn't fall.
Oh, if it falls, that would be better
Why?
for the views.
That would be a little more dangerous.
No, we're standing over there. The only
Why
thing
don't you
is
stay over there for now?
if it.
Uh-oh. We should grab the other lighter.
Yeah.
Which one?
The grill one.
Yeah, hold on.
Do you want to grab it real quick?
Yeah.
Otherwise, this one's.
You stay down there. Just make sure nothing happens. We're gonna grab the big fire. Ooh, that's the big one. I want to trigger it. Hello, Dada. Where are you, mister? We got the big guns. Let's see what happens. I'm scared. Oh! So scary. Wow. I'm actually kind of scared. We no! No!
No, come over here, please. That was. Oh,
No, it's still going.
Oh yeah, now it's getting smoky. That was pretty cool. Right?
Don't go near it.
Yeah, stay over here, bud.
Don't go near it. I'm gonna hose it.
I need help.
You think it's done?
Yeah.
Yeah, AJ, that's one thing. Once the fireworks,
We got the small guns right here. I'm gonna do another one. Another one of the magic wand. Light it. Light it. Light it, please.
You have to stand over there.
I still wouldn't
That's
touch
pretty good.
it. Yeah, I still wouldn't touch it for a while. Make sure it's cooled down.
Let me hold it.
I'm gonna have to worry about it. You're getting some other
Ah!
Well,
Don't point it at them.
that's a big
Ah.
one.
This isn't a sparkler, I don't think.
No. What does that do? That doesn't really shoot.
No.
No, it's basically a sparkler.
Ugh.
Point it that way, though.
Yeah, go on the other.
We. Oh no.
And when it's done, AJ, you hold it, and I'm gonna put the hose on.
Okay.
He already did one.
Oh, he's done those?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, a few minutes.
Wow. What the heck do I know?
I'm gonna light a fire.
No. Those are ours. Yeah. They must have thrown them over here because they were in their yard. Because he'll kick them over the fence. And get together.
Safety first, AJ. Safety first. You teach your YouTubers. Safety first.
That's why they remove all your videos for safety guidelines.
Angelo, put in something telling Red that page, that black one, into that.
Oh, I dropped it. Oh no.
We'll get it after.
That was cool, I guess. Now we have fireworks to do later. Bye bye, guys.
But what do you mean